Hey everyone, it's Troy, Roadside RC. I've got something pretty special in this video. So, we were out, USTE, Team Associated Element, they were out there. They had a whole booth set up, including the brand new Hoonitruck that was out there. So we got to see it, we got to lay hands on it, and then the gentleman that was there, John, he came over to the drift track while we were drifting and said, hey, can we get some film? Can we get some shots? A Hoonitruck going around the track with some other vehicles. So we took it, we immediately tried it. It has rubber tires on it, all-wheel drive. It was way too fast. It was all over the track. So I actually personally grabbed some of my own white wheels, drift tires on them, slapped them on the truck. They just happened to fit pretty well. They happened to match pretty well. And then we had at RC Playground, we had him there, and he ended up driving the truck around. We were trying to figure out all this stuff, and we finally got some really cool shots of this truck drifting around. So I'm going to share those with you right now.
Yes! There you go.
Isn't that pretty cool? I mean, so I gotta be honest, that truck, it looks just amazing. Now, the issue, of course, is it is a standard all-wheel drive touring chassis underneath it. I mean, it is not drift spec at all. There's no one-way front differential, even in the all-wheel drive world. It doesn't have anything on it related to actually being a drift chassis, period. Very limited steering angle, all-wheel drive, just touring chassis with a really, really fun body on it. Now, man, it would be really fun for this truck to be significantly less price point. You know, one of the things I really struggle with is at the core end of the day, this truck is basically, it's a brushed all-wheel drive touring car with a really, really nice body on it. You know, I have, as an example, a Red Cat Lightning Drift that came with actually at least drifty kind of tires on it, at least halfway drift tires on it. It's a brushed touring car chassis also. Probably has just as much steering angle, driving dynamics and all that, having driven this Hoonitruck. Pretty much the same. So is it really worth that price differential where that Red Cat is, I think they're like 150, 160 bucks. Is it really worth that much extra for that body? Maybe yes, maybe no, but that's the decision you got to make. So anyway, that's where we're sitting. Drove it for the first time. It looks amazing. Really, oh man, that body is just too cool, right? We have lots more USTE footage to share with you. Please come over here. There's a whole playlist of the USTE footage. Click that button and you can go through it, whether it's the crawling, whether it's the drifting, whether it's bashing, the bash arena, the semi trucks, whatever. It's all over there in that playlist. So go over there, check it out.